Definitely. There's guys for everything. And I read so much about like girls that say, I would like to do it anonymously, or I'm not sure that guys will find me attractive, this, that, and the third. And it is not like that at all. If you have a pair of tits and an ass, even if you have one or the other, you are going to get a following as long as you market yourself correctly. And, things will fall into place and you'll discover what you're comfortable with. I'm subscribed for free to quite a few girls on OnlyFans, and they just do like, I've seen ones that are like $100 to subscribe to the VIP. And it's like you have to pay, you can't even message them without sending them a tip. And they do like clickbait, every day it's like, open this message and you charge for it. I prefer to do like a more down to earth, like real, you can talk to me, I'm a real person, this isn't my secretary, type of angle to it. And I'm sure they started off like this, but I never would be like the type of person that's like, let's shoot all these pictures under a bright light and then sell them for $1 million each, and I'm not even gonna take off my clothes. That's just not how I would do it, because that's not what I would want to see. Like how that Bad Baby, we were watching that video the other day. She made like $6 million in the first, or is it like $1 million in the first 6 hours? That's what it was. That she had her OnlyFans account up, and I don't even think that she did nudity. So you can make money fully nude, half nude, fully clothed. It just depends on if you have a big social media following, and if you don't, it's all about marketing going forward.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, stay in your fucking lane. Don't go out of it, because you start going out of it, that's where you're not gonna fucking succeed, because it's not you. Like a lot of those girls that you're talking about, like that shit works for them,
Right.
Like if it works for them, then that's their fucking lane. Like, you got to stay in your lane. Because if you start, like, don't get too fucking high tech. Because we were talking earlier about you got to get high tech and all that. Don't get too high tech. Don't start putting fucking lights everywhere, because that's not what you guys do. And the people that are watching you or want to, like, find your older stuff and want to see that, now you're just like everyone else. Nah, that's not what I want to see.
Right. Yeah. It's just, and it is, in hindsight, it's so crazy to think that all these videos that him and I made, that like he would watch separately and like jerk off to, or I would watch separately and masturbate to, and now they're all over the internet. And it's like, we would have never thought that it was going to go this direction. I'm very happy that it did, though, and I'm satisfied overall with everything so far. I have made more money than I anticipated. And they say the average content creator on OnlyFans makes $160 a month, and I am above that. So I just hope that it continues going the way it is, and everything that I'm doing seems to be working for me and him, and I'm happy that I did it, and I don't have any regrets about it.
Well, good. I mean, shit, as long as you're fucking motivated to do it, man, you'll fucking,